Hello everyone, welcome to our quizzes. Let's get into our quizzes without a delay. Everybody will get 5 seconds to answer the questions. If you wanna exit your time, you can pause the video and continue when you're done. Which country has become the first country to cease FM radio broadcasting? How many bones a human body possesses? Who has become the first woman to walk in space? Which planet is famous for the beautiful rings that surrounded it? Who won the Orange Cap? The only team to have 5 IPL trophies. What is the center of our solar system? Who invented the radio? What is the largest gland in our body? Which planet is the hottest in the solar system? What was the first country to host the modern Olympics?